For the fourth session of marketing management, welcome you all for the fourth session of marketing management of first chapter. In this session, we are going to discuss about importance of marketing mix and factors affecting marketing mix. The learning objective of this session is to learn about the importance of marketing mix, and the expected outcome of this session, the students are able to understand the role played by marketing mix in the success of business firms. Before going to discuss about today's topic, I would like to give brief recap of previous session. In the previous session, we have discussed about marketing mix. What is the origin of the word marketing mix? What is marketing mix? And what are the components of marketing mix? Dear students, the word marketing mix was coined by Professor Neil H. Borden of Harvard Business School. And marketing mix is the set of actions, tactics or tools a firm uses to promote its brands or product in the market. And the four components of marketing mix are the product, the price, promotion and place. Product refers to what the business or non-profit organization offers to its prospective customers or clients. And the money or something else of value given in exchange for something is its price. Place and distribution activities involve bridging the physical separation between buyers and sellers. And lastly, promotion. Promotion helps businesses to convey a message about the organization, a product, or some other elements of the marketing mix. Now, let us discuss about today's topic, importance of marketing mix. Dear students, an efficient marketing mix plays an important role in the success of any business enterprises. Now, let us see how marketing mix helps businesses in their success story. Marketing mix helps to secure a balanced relationship between the various elements of the marketing system. In marketing system, we have four elements, namely product, price, place, promotion. While designing a marketing mix, the business combines all the four elements of marketing mix. Marketing mix is incomplete even if we don't include any one of the element, because all the elements of the marketing mix are interrelated and interdependent. Next, marketing mix ensures that all elements of the marketing system are determined in an integrated manner. As we discussed in the previous point, all four elements of marketing mix, product, price, place and promotion, are integral to the success of a marketing mix. And all the elements are interlinked with each other, like product decisions influences pricing decisions, and even promotion and distribution channel decisions influences the price of the product. By combining all the elements of the marketing system, marketing ensures all the elements are determined in an integrated manner. Marketing mix helps in pursuing customer-oriented marketing. Marketing mix starts with development of the product in accordance with the needs and wants of the customers. And the price of the products are determined keeping in mind the income level of the different types of customers, as well as distribution channels make sure that the products are available to the final consumers at the right place and at the right time. So that we can say, while taking decisions regarding product, price, place and promotion, businesses always keeps in mind the customer needs and wants at forefront. Next, marketing mix helps in meeting the requirements of different types of customers. Dear students, every customer have their own tastes and preferences, likes and dislikes, styles, needs and wants. Businesses, while designing the product, always keeps in mind the nature of customers they serve. They consider customers' age, education, income, sex, religion and many other factors. So that marketing mix helps businesses to serve the different types of customers by supplying goods and services which satisfy their customers' needs and wants. Next, marketing mix helps in satisfy the needs and wants of consumers effectively and economically. Dear students, marketing mix starts with designing products according to the needs and wants of consumers. And while fixing the price for the products, businesses considers not just profit margin and the production cost, but also considers the income level of the consumers. In this way, marketing mix helps businesses to satisfy the needs and wants of consumers more effectively and economically. Next, marketing mix helps in increasing the sales volume and market share of the firm. An efficient marketing mix helps businesses to increase its sales volume and market share by designing better quality products than its competitors, or by fixing competitive price for their products, or by ensuring delivery of their products at the right place and at the right time, and by using promotional strategies that not only inform their customers about their products, but also persuade and influence them to buy their product. In this way, businesses reaches maximum consumers. Next, marketing mix helps the firm in realizing its objectives of higher profits and greater return on investment. Dear students, while designing marketing mix, business clearly defines what objectives they want to achieve with their marketing mix. If their objectives are higher profits and higher return on their investment, businesses designs their marketing mix in such a way that ensures higher profit for them by blending four pieces of marketing in an effective manner. Next, marketing mix helps in new product development. While designing an existing product, there are any number of ideas which can come up for a related product that can be designed by the company. The pricing, place, and promotion might be different for such a product. Nonetheless, it can be classified as a new product, and hence, while designing the marketing mix, the company can come up with good ideas for new product development as well. Next, marketing mix helps increase product portfolio. Whenever businesses want to increase their product depth or product line and length, the businesses have to make minor changes to the product, like product features, quality, design, its pricing, and possible to its promotion. As a result, by altering marketing mix and certain features within it, the businesses could end up with an enlarged product portfolio. Next, marketing helps in differentiation. While making a marketing mix, business always keeps a track on competitors' product, price, promotion, and distribution strategies. It helps businesses to design a better marketing mix by blending effective product, price, promotion, and distribution strategies, and it gives competitive advantage to business over their rivals. And marketing mix helps businesses to being dynamic. A company which is well prepared is also prepared when disaster strikes, during recession or during a poor business environment. A company should ready to respond. At such times, the company needs to understand its products, processes, people, promotion, if it will respond with a better agility. Next, we are going to see what are the factors affects marketing mix. Dear students, the factors which influences the marketing mix are classified into two categories: internal factors and external factors. Internal factors are the factors which can be controlled by the company. ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಕಂಪನಿ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಿಸ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬೇಕು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಅವರು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And some of the important internal factors which influences the marketing mix are product planning, price, branding, personal selling, sales promotion, physical distribution, and market research. Now let us see how each of these factors influences marketing mix. Product planning. A wise product policy or plan is essential to meet the market demand. The plan includes introduction of product and modification of product to suit the demand and elimination of unprofitable ones. ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂದ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. Marketing mix deals with price competition. Marketers should only aim for reasonable profit. ಈ ರೀಸನಬಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ಸನ್ನು ಅರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರ ಗುರಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಸೂಟ್ ದಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. ಅವರ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ಗೆ ತಕ್ಕದಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಧರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಫ್ ದ ಟಾರ್ಗೆಟ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್, ದ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೈ ಪ್ರೈಸಸ್, ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಏಮ್ ಫಾರ್ higher profit. Otherwise, if the target market is low income consumers, they have to fix lower prices and they have to aim for reasonable profit or lower profits. Next, branding. Marketing mix must create a particular image in the minds of the consumers. Branding decision is very important in developing the products. One of the most important objective of marketing mix is to create a brand for ಕಂಪನಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ನ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡನ್ನು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಮೈಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್. Branding decisions is very important in developing the products. One of the most important objective of marketing mix is to create a brand for the company and products. The marketing mix na important ಗುರಿ ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಮೇಜನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್. Personal selling is good to increase the sale and at the same time to know the consumers' needs, desires and wants. Personal selling helps businesses to create effective marketing mix by providing inputs about consumers' needs and wants. Because salesmen maintains personal relationship with consumers. They deal with consumers directly. The next factor is market research. Market research is a system by which one can analyze the market conditions. Market research helps to know about target customers' needs, wants and desires. And ultimately, it helps marketer in formulating policies by which the product reach in an effective way in the hands of the consumers. These are some of the important internal factors which affects the marketing mix. Next, external factors. External factors are also known as uncontrollable factors because these factors are behind the control of companies. Some of the important external factors are consumers' behavior, traders' behavior, competitors' behavior, and government behavior. Now let us see how these external factors affect the marketing mix. Consumers' behavior. Consumers' buying behavior is affected by buying habits, buying power, motivation, living standard, social environment, and technological changes. While designing the marketing mix, marketers should consider their target customers' buying behavior. Next, traders' behavior. The behavior of intermediaries like wholesalers and retailers and their motivation, practices, attitudes affect the marketing of the products and its sales volume. so that marketers must be careful while selecting the intermediaries. Next, competitors' behavior. New business firms come up which invites competition among the industrialists. The competition may be supply and demand of the product, choice offered by the consumers, technological changes, or inventions. The marketing manager must be vigilant about the market trends so that marketers must keep track of competitors' strategies. And the last external factor is government behavior. The marketing manager should consider the rules and regulations of the government in respect of products, pricing, competitive practices, advertising while developing market mix. These are all the some of the important factors which affect the marketing mix. Thank you.